So I'm gonna put myself through torture today and make a candy dress because being eliminated on Project Runway once was not enough. We're gonna do it multiple times. I will say though, I did do it multiple times. I did do it multiple times, but I'm just gonna do it again. LA is full of like piñata stores, which means candy. This is a lot of black, right?
Well, you're thinking of doing a mini dress, so maybe you don't need so much.
I think everybody thinks I always know what I'm doing, and I'm just always figuring it out as I go.
Okay, the whole dress has been assembled at this point. Just ironing it. You want to say it? Can you say it?
No. Flat and beautiful. I also made this in 20 minutes? Has it even been 20 minutes?
Yeah, I think this is a 20-minute dress.
Dating me also means working for me. For free.
It's for free. Assistant status. I enjoyed it though. I like spending the quality time and being creative.
So we're later in the night. We're just back to gluing jelly beans, but the foil is looking cool on camera.
Yeah, it is looking really cool.
It looks better from a distance and when you squint your eyes.
And the lights are off.
And when it doesn't exist. The dress looks like shit, okay?
No, actually it looks good.
No, it really does. I'm not mad at it.
I was going for like futuristic Spice Girls with this dress, and I definitely feel like we accomplished it. Candy was tricky to work with, but I loved the challenge. If you guys have ideas of things you'd like for me to make dresses out of, drop them in the comments below.